Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your keyboard in Roblox. To begin, mastering basic movement is essential for navigating any experience. You'll primarily use the W, A, S, and D keys to move your character in all directions. For example, pressing W moves you forward. Your mouse is crucial for controlling the camera, allowing you to look around your environment. And don't forget the spacebar. A quick press will make your character jump, helping you overcome small hurdles or reach new areas. Once you've mastered the basics, you can enhance your gameplay with advanced movements and actions. To move more quickly, simply hold down the Shift key while using your directional keys to sprint across the map. Interacting with the world around you is often done by pressing the E key, whether you're picking up a valuable item or activating a special device. And remember, the Escape key is your gateway to the game menu, offering options to customize your experience or exit when you're ready. Communication is a key part of the Roblox experience, and your keyboard is your primary tool for connecting with others. To start a conversation, simply press the / key, which will open the chat window at the top of your screen. Once open, you can type your message and hit enter to share it with everyone in your game. You can also use specific commands, like typing /me before your text to describe an action, adding another layer to your interactions. Personalizing your Roblox experience can significantly improve your enjoyment and control. By pressing the Escape key, you can access the main menu and navigate to the Settings tab. Here, you'll find options to customize various aspects of your game. For instance, you can remap specific keyboard controls to different keys, ensuring they feel more natural for your hands. Additionally, you can fine-tune camera sensitivity and other visual preferences, allowing you to create an environment that is perfectly tailored to your individual needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.